It's cold out here, but when you're well dressed, you're okay. Zoe and I are here at, she's enjoying this new fluffy snow, by the way. She's too busy rolling in it right now to come in the video. We are here again in Hudson, but another place. I wanted to go do a Mont Saint-Hilaire today, but I found it too cold to go up there, and I didn't feel like driving an hour and a half to get there. So, and also I have some housework to do, so you know, when you're the woman of the family, you have to do everything. Anyways, so yeah, we're coming here a little bit. I'll see how cold she is. I actually crocheted her a sweater, and it already doesn't fit. So, and even her harness is every time I take her out, I have to make it bigger because she's growing so fast. So yeah, like being I don't know if you can see her there, but she's being a little crazy. Not there in the snow like usual. So it'd be, and it's very windy, like very windy. And I have trouble breathing in something like this, but right now I have to try because it's really too cold for not putting on. And I should be wearing my sunglasses, but they get all foggy. So I try to put them on, and then they get foggy because I breathe too much. See, they're getting foggy again. Anyways, we'll continue our little thing, and if I see anything interesting, I'll let you know. Bye. Zoe and I had a nice hike. I snowshoed, and it's a very nice place. It's in Hudson. I'm parked at, I think I'm at the curling or country club place. And yeah, and there's we passed over there. There's a trail, and it's not very well marked, but we were able to go for a nice day. I think Zoe was starting to be cold a bit. Well, I don't know. I have to read up on how to know when a dog's cold, because I mean, it's hard to know when they're cold, because she's running like crazy. She's having fun, and I know she had like a frost on her mouth, so I was a little bit scared that she would be too cold there. So anyways, we're going back home, and tomorrow we are going for a hike in Rigaud, a snowshoeing hike in Rigaud, a nighttime hike. So I'm gonna hopefully videotape and you guys can see. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure out my equipment there for that. So see you next time. Bye bye.